Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you are new, you're welcome, and if you've been a regular person here, you are also welcome. Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about ginger. Ginger is a very wonderful flowering plant native from China and is considered to be one of the healthiest herbs on planet Earth. So guys, there's nobody that doesn't know about ginger, how it can spice up your food, how you can use it as tea, and how you can use it as herbs. There's nobody that doesn't know about ginger, so I'm not going to tell you so much about ginger. I know you know ginger and you love it so much, but I'm going to tell you that in the midst of your obsession and love for ginger, there are still some other things that you need to put into consideration. I'm going to be showing you also on this video how to make a wonderful ginger tea that will slim down your stomach and make it look fabulous, healthy and wonderful. Before that, you have to know if you are supposed to take this tea or not. Ginger is very high in nutrients, making it a very healthy plant that is beneficiary to the human body. But there is also a but. However, despite all the wonderful things ginger does, there are also some cases where you will not need ginger due to health and other issues. So if you suffer from diabetes, obesity, ginger is not recommended for you. If you have genetic disorder in which the clotting of the blood is reduced, you don't need to take ginger. If you are underweight, don't consume ginger or take any ginger-based supplements, cause the root is high in fiber, which may increase the pH level of the stomach and stimulate digestive enzymes. This will lead to fat burning and lower the crave for food, and will further also lead to weight loss and menstrual irregularities. If you're also pregnant, do not take ginger because ginger is abundant in stimulants which supports muscles health and digestion. However, if used during pregnancy, it might lead to premature contraction. If you're suffering from any of these conditions I just mentioned and you still find the need to use ginger, please consult your doctor first before going further with whatever you want to do. Alright guys, so here I have with me my ginger. Just gonna is another great fat burner, especially around the belly area to flatten stomach. When mixed with lemon, it serves as a revitalizing beverage which relieves cold and flu. A glass of hot ginger and lemon helps activate thermogenesis, which makes our body begin to burn fat. It's boiling. So I'm just gonna pour it inside my cup. Here is my lemon. Just gonna squeeze some drop. Lemon juice is famous for its digestive health benefits and as a weight loss aid. Alright guys, here's my tea. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. Click on the like button. Share this video for your friends also to see. And don't forget to look out for my next video. So you might want to just ring the bell so that you will be the first to get notification anytime I upload a new video.